Hey everyone, what's up? This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we are discussing very important price action on Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. Is Bitcoin going to zero? Is the crypto market gonna crash? What's gonna happen? Why is this happening? We will be covering everything today. Also on the end, I will show you how I took 2 trades today on Binance Futures. If you don't know how to trade on Binance Futures, go look at my previous videos. I made a quick tutorial on how to trade on Binance Futures. So make sure to watch that if you don't know how to trade on Binance. Alright, let's get into it. Today we saw on the 4-hour candle a massive dump candle. This is a massive dump candle. When I saw this, I waked up in the morning at 6 o'clock. I saw this. I was like, whoa, what is this? Now, I was looking at the market at that time. I kept looking 1 hour. What I saw was we were finding support at that level. So I went to Binance Futures and took 2 long positions with 20x leverage because I was sure of my prediction in the market. Why I was sure, I'm gonna explain right now. So first of all, if you know what is impacting the market, it's the news. It's like we are in a World War III. So as you see, Ukraine conflict, Russian forces attack from 3 sides. Russia has invaded Ukraine. That's why it's happening so much. But if we look at gold, if we take a look at the chart of gold, what do we see? 24 February at 2 o'clock, massive pumping. What do we see on the Bitcoin chart? 2 o'clock, 24 February, massive dumping. So what do I notice? That gold is still for the people a safe haven and Bitcoin is not yet. Watch my words what I say, not yet. Bitcoin will become also a safe haven. But for now, when we have fear, uncertainty and doubt, you will notice that people, they take all their money from their stocks, from everything, crypto, and they put it into gold. A lot of people are buying gold also. Almost all central banks are buying gold. Research on this. Gold is very important. That's why you saw gold pumping. But I'm sure in the future this will happen to Bitcoin also. That's why Bitcoin is created. So my answer is no, Bitcoin is not going to zero. Bitcoin is going to maybe a lot more than 100k. That's my opinion on it. Historically, I will be right on this. But I don't know when it's gonna happen. But it will happen in the future. That's what I'm sure about. Also, I just knew after a massive dump like this, we need to recover if we are going to go down lower. As you see, we're now testing this. We broke this with this massive candle. We're now testing it. That's why I took a long position here. I'm now gonna close almost all my positions. I'm gonna close 75% right now just to see what the market is going to do. If we maybe test 36k and we can go higher, that would be nice. But I'm not counting on it. As I said, I'm still counting on 32k to get hit. If you could see before, move A, B, C. We're gonna hit 32k. We're gonna test this and maybe break it. If we break this, that's not gonna be good news, people. That's what I'm gonna say. But I'm not counting that in. I'm also counting on this. Move A, B, C. So maybe this is the time. Now we went back lower to here. We also tested this. If we can stay above 36k right now, things can still look bullish for me. Especially if we look, I will show you something very special, fundamental thing about crypto, about the world, about everything in financial markets is moving. Let's go. So, if you're gonna take a look, we look at the Vietnam War in 1964, by the invasion, up. 1991, Gulf War, by the invasion, up. Afghanistan War, 2001, same. Look at Iraq War, same. Look at Crimean Crisis, 2014, by the invasion, same. So I'm not scared at all. Every dip is for me a buying opportunity. But as I said, make sure to have enough liquid ready to buy on lower prices. You can never know when the bottom is really in. You can count on it and you can guess on it and you can do an analysis on it. You can do everything you want, but you're never 100% sure. So make sure you have something on the backhand. Also, if you're gonna take a look at the next 100x altcoin I'm making some videos about, Yesterday, I closed my trade at 75% at this level. You can see this. These are daily candles. Wait, let me show you. 1 hour candles. You will see it very nice. Here it broke out. I took a trade. I closed it right here. It was just a small trade. Quick in and out. It went much down lower. I had still 25% open. My target was $6, so I closed it right here, but it went as low as $5.50 because of the news. As I said, the fundamental news is impacting the markets, so no worries. This will recover if you have long-term vision. As I said before, I'm not worrying if we will wait 5 years more. If you do 5 years from here, you will see that Bitcoin will be more a safe haven and it will be more trusted by the people. You have to know, if we take a look at the chart of gold and we go to monthly candles and then we go to the beginning, the very first beginning of gold, it was 1970. Just know that. This chart is not showing it right now, but it's 1970 that gold was created, that was live on the market. If we then go take a look at Bitcoin and we do monthly candles, and we just go take a look at the begin, we are talking about 2012. We are 10 years right now in the market. Bitcoin is 10 years in the financial markets, and gold is already 52 years in the financial markets. That's a big difference. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. You're still very, very early. So for everyone who is worried, don't worry. If you have time, if you have the patience, everything will be very, very good for you. Don't leave this market right now. This is the time to be in the market when things are going down. You can profit from this so much. If you just at this morning at 6 a.m. put in €1,000 in one of your favorite altcoins, I'm sure you're 10% up right now. So you made €100 just on spot without leverage. If you then use leverage, the possibilities are endless. So just know there are a lot of opportunities. Don't miss them. So for now, we will take a very quick look at the market. What do we see in the top 100? This is really crazy to see. Which ones do we see? I did a weekly overview on Bitcoin. I was talking about Luna is showing strong. Luna is a very undervalued ecosystem in my opinion. What do we see in the whole market? Luna is up right now. I said it like 2 days ago. Anchor, it's almost 2 weeks, 1 week and 2 days, almost 10 days. It's just in the green. Everything is in the red. This keeps in the green. It's even moved from top 200 to top 100. Crazy. Then if you go look at the top 200, what do we see? What do I say? What do I say? This coin I made a video about, the next 100x altcoin. Look at the whole market. Everything is down. Just this coin I'm talking about. This is not to say like I'm the best or something. This is just to show you, if you do your research and you look at the market every day, you will start to notice some things. I'm looking at the market for two years every day. In the beginning, I was like every hour, every minute, looking at the charts, looking at everything, how it's moving, what is the volume, what is happening. So keep your eyes on the market. This is the moment. Don't listen to your emotions. Put them out. Just go into the market and go do your research, go learn, experience. It's very nice to have the learning curve, the experience. It will make you very wise in the market, and you will create some deep insights and knowledge. And that will give you the possibility to predict the market even better. Like, I'm not always going to be right. I'm just very right on this one. I have a bit of luck, I'm going to be honest, but if you keep doing your research, this will happen more and more to you. They call it luck, I call it hard work. Let's take a quick look at my last trade I took on the Binance Futures, XRP. This was my entry position. I had a really tight stop loss on XRP. XRP, what I can learn you from this, from my own experience, it has a lot of wicks. I'm following this for 2 years. XRP is one of my favorite altcoins. I will make some more upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe, that you don't miss them. Put on your notifications, and you will see some very good value on XRP because I know a lot of things about. I'm following it for a long time, so you will get some good content on that. XRP, you can see a lot of wicks, always. You see a lot of wicks going very deep and then they pull back a whole way. It's not It's always like this on XRP. So I always trade on the outside of wicks of XRP if I see an opportunity. Now I saw an opportunity for a currently retest. I just now put my stop loss into profit. As you can see, risk to reward ratio is almost always at 2.53 for me. Also on Link, I had the same risk to reward was 3.7. That's even better. So that was it for today, guys. I hope it was a very clear update on this. Don't forget what I said about gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin will soon become a safe haven also. And no, we're not going to zero. I'm not selling my crypto. I'm just buying more, accumulating more, but I'm not going all in on one position. All right. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.